Hi there, I'm Cody, and I want to take a couple of minutes to better acquaint you with the Epson BrightLink 1480 series interactive laser display, the ultimate interactive display for modern classrooms. BrightLink 1480 series laser displays provide a large 16:9 HD display up to 100 inches, ensuring that students can easily see the content and remain engaged in class. The BrightLink 1485 Fi can also support a massive 16:6 display up to 120 inches. At over 9 feet wide, this is nearly 2 times the display area of a 75-inch flat panel. And because BrightLink displays can be used on a typical whiteboard, you don't lose valuable classroom space when the display is not in use. See, the whiteboard is still available when I shut off the BrightLink. Try doing that with a flat panel. While the interactive functionality of both BrightLink displays are largely the same, today we'll be demonstrating on the ultra-wide BrightLink 1485 Fi. And let me just turn it on. Now I'm going to grab my pen, or I can use my finger. So what you're seeing here is a projection on a whiteboard. With this solution, you can project on your walls or tables or basically any flat surface. So let's get started. The home screen has a touch-enabled interface that allows you to select whatever it is that you want to do. There is PC-free digital whiteboarding, or you can select any connected source to display, such as a PC, document camera, or video player. Whatever you choose to display, you have the ability to annotate over it. So let's begin on whiteboard mode. Let's start writing something like spelling words. Using the available interactive pens or my finger, as you can see, my notes are being projected. Or let me add some numbers here. What if I make a typo? No problem, because I can easily erase it with my hand. And when I run out of space, all I have to do is click here to make a new page, and everything on the previous whiteboard will be saved. If I want, I can insert a shape like this, or I can even upload my own content from a USB drive. Attach it directly here, and hey, there it is. Then I can move it, resize it, or if I want to make an annotation, I can do that too. Okay, so now what if I want to use my computer instead of using the PC-free whiteboard? Not a problem. I can connect my PC via HDMI or VGA and see my screen up on the whiteboard. Now that might not seem exciting, but when I connect a USB cable as well and open something like PowerPoint, I can start interacting with my PC. Essentially, the board becomes a 120-inch monitor and the pen or my finger becomes the mouse. It's like having a giant tablet. Think of it this way. Anything that runs on my computer, I can now run up here on the board. It's really that simple. This is all about collaboration. Another way you can use the BrightLink is as a video conferencing display. All I have to do is connect my video conferencing application like Zoom or Skype and enjoy the super wide display.
Hi, Cody.
Hi, Maggie. The great thing is you don't need a flat panel for your video conference, just one BrightLink 1480 series laser display and you're good to go. I can also use split screen to display my PC content on one side and my whiteboard on the other and get everyone collaborating at the same time. Bye, Maggie.
Bye, Cody.
Similarly, I can go to the home screen and choose split screen to display content from up to 4 connected devices simultaneously, including PCs, Macs, document cameras, Blu-ray players, or even from wireless devices via Miracast connection, or using iProjection, Epson's free wireless display app. And by using Epson iProjection, you can connect, display, and share content simultaneously from up to 50 connected devices, getting the whole classroom involved in daily lesson plans. I can easily share my whiteboard content with other BrightLink projectors too. Simply select the Home button on the bottom left of the display to access the home screen. Then press Screen Sharing to initiate the shared session. I can share my whiteboard content with other network-connected BrightLink 1480 series projectors. When your BrightLink projectors are on the same network, it is easy to share the whiteboard space, allowing students or teachers in other classrooms to view and contribute to the whiteboard session. They'll be able to see anything on my whiteboard, and I'll be able to see anything they write. If any of the other classrooms would like to join in and add to the shared whiteboard, just like I did a second ago, they can do so by using their interactive pens or finger. And there it is. When the class is over, I can email these notes, print, or save them for later. And what's super neat is that I've done all of this without special software or a computer. So there you have it, BrightLink 1480 series laser display from Epson, offering many great ways to boost productivity and increase student engagement. To learn more, please visit www.epson.com/BrightLink or reach out to an Epson sales rep today. Epson, exceed your vision.